Today I'm taking a look at the ASPERX AX3000 Jump Starter. So it does come with a clamshell case. That's nice, it actually has a little flap there to keep everything separate. We got our instructions, and we got our jump starter. It does say that we should fully charge this before we use it the first time. Well, that's interesting. This actually has a compass on the bottom. So in the event that you're out in the wilderness and you need to figure out which way is north, be able to figure that out. So it is an all plastic body. We do have a grip right here. That is also plastic. We have a spot for our jumper cables. We got a flashlight on the top. We got, well, 2 USB-A ports and a USB-C port. And we got our power button. So it looks like it comes with 3 bars of charge. So if we press and hold, we get our flashlight. So when we open up the engine bay, we can easily see exactly what we're going to be looking at. Yeah, nice and simple. It says it has a battery capacitor of 37 watt hours, a starting current of 400 amps, and a peak current of 3000 amps. So quite a bit of power out of a little brick like this. We got our USB cable, that is USB-A to USB-C, and we got our alligator clamps. Pretty good spring on it. I do like that those teeth are jagged, so you can make sure you get a good connection on it, even if those terminals are corroded. They are properly labeled positive and negative, and red and black. And it has a little quick start guide on here if you need to jump start your car and you don't want to have to read through the instructions. I also like seeing we have some indicators on here. So I do not have a car right now that needs jump started, but there is still something that we can test on here. So what I want to find out is if we connect these two together, that's going to provide a short. Will this actually detect that? And then start it. So you can see right there, it will not spark and it will not attempt to turn on. So the next thing I want to know is, can we use this as a battery pack for our phone? Yes, we are charging. So what that means is this is essentially going to be a large power bank that we can use to charge our phone. Now we can also jumpstart our vehicle with in the event that we need to. So very handy thing to have around. As long as you know positive, positive, negative, negative, then this will be an excellent jump starter for that.